everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, hi, hello, my name is Jennifer and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my life. Okay, but this shirt actually says life is better in leggings, which I'm definitely wearing leggings right now. Also, don't mind this random crazy hair right here. It can't be tamed. So for this look today, I wanted to do a cool tone with a really pretty berry shiny lip, and I wanted a very simple eye, kind of like old Hollywood glamour. Granted, my t-shirt does not match with it, but it is okay. It's okay. So I'm gonna stop rambling because this intro is ridiculously long. And yeah, if you like the video while you're watching, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. We're on our way to 400 subscribers right now, which is awesome. And yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna go on with the Profusion Mattes palette. Yeah. I've been feeling more of a cool tone situation, so I'm gonna go in with Vinyl, which is literally just a gray shade, and this is the really old Real Techniques brush when they came out with like the silver handle. Yes, my life. Anyway, I'm gonna take this and pretty much just like outline. Yeah. This is going to be an excellent video. I can feel it. I'm not taking a ton of product on my brush for one, and I'm literally poking around my eyeball to get that full crease moment. How have you guys been? You doing good? You feeling good? Are you guys enjoying 2020? I have to say 2020, I'm not going to be overly negative. If you watched my 2020 goals video, which you definitely should, but if you didn't, one of my goals is to not let my craziness affect my life as much. I mean, it's obviously my mind. It's going to affect me quite a bit, but you know what I mean. And I mean, the end of 2018 overall was an amazing year. I got so many good experiences out of it, but swear on my life, the end of it could have been better. Could have been a little bit better. We, as a family, and when I say as a family, I meant me and James and Ellie, you know, my little section of a family, not like our generation, you know. We have been having some issues. Not like in our relationship or anything like out of the ordinary there. I feel like every couple argues and spats. I mean, James and I don't like overly argue or anything in my opinion, but you know, we have our spats. I'm taking a fluffier crease brush that is stained green, but it's clean, there's nothing on it, and I'm just gonna kind of buff that back and forth. But James and I, like, our relationship is fine. James and I are doing fine. Like, our relationship, we're doing fine, but we're just having a lot of stress that I wish I could take away from him. He is so stressed right now. He just gets irritated by the smallest things, and I want to take it away from him. Like, I don't want him to be stressed. I want him to, you know, be happy and in a good mood, and he is just having problems. So I'd love to tell you guys all about it, but that is like a personal thing. But just know that James and I are fine. We're just struggling. I'm gonna go into the Sultry palette. I really want to find nothing in here. Maybe Ella. No. Yeah. What is wrong with me? I'm gonna take Ella, which is like this silver white eyeshadow with a little bit of blue reflect. And by a little bit, I mean that's like pure glitter on my face, but okay. But yeah, James and I are we're both extremely stressed, and James is taking the brunt of it, and I want to be able to take it away, but I can't. So there's that. The beginning of 2020 has just been super stressful for me. Plus, I'm filming this. I don't even know what day of the month it is. Hang on, let me math. I think it's the 11th. It's a Saturday, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's the 11th of January when I'm filming this. And wow, that eyeshadow is like super reflective. Not where I was going with it, but it's okay. I'm filming this on a Saturday and my classes start back on Monday the 13th. Yeah, it is the 12th. I'm going back in with that gray and just kind of edging this out a little bit because that is not what I was wanting. We're just gonna adapt and overcome. My classes start back on Monday the 13th, and between me being stressed about class and applying to the nursing program, which if you didn't know, I'm hoping to become a nurse in the foreseeable future. Jesus, it's taking forever, but we've both just been so stressed out. It is insane how stressed out we've both been, and just worried about things that are out of our control, and it's just been a whole thing. I'm stressed about school, I'm stressed about home life, I'm stressed about so much stuff. So I'm gonna dip into the mini controversy palette because I've only used 2 shades out of here, and I'm gonna take my boyfriend's purse, which is really pretty looking. These are super creamy but powdery, and I'm gonna try to cover up that weird blue shade, or at least tone it down a little bit. Definitely should have went in with this shade first and skipped out on that original, but it's okay. It's fine. It's part of life. I'm kind of making a faux cut crease shape and then running back in with that gray to blur out edges. And then we're gonna take a regular fluffy crease brush and just run that through. Yeah, no, not where I saw this going, but it's okay. We're dealing with it. I'm gonna take that same vinyl gray shade and I'm going to blur and buff out my lower lash line. I'm gonna tightline my eyes quickly with the NYX retractable pencil, but I don't know. I want to do so many videos on my channel in 2020, but I'm getting lost as to what people actually want to see, because in the end I could just make these videos and keep them all private if I wanted them as like memory things, and there are a few videos that I've left up as private just so I have them, but I want to make stuff you guys want to see. Talking while you tightline your eye might be the weirdest sensation ever. I'm going to hop off of screen and I'm going to do a wing, hopefully not a crazy dramatic wing, but it's probably going to end up pretty big. I'm going to wing out my eyeliner, do a healthy coat of Essence La False Lashes, and then we're going to throw on some of these Kiss 01 eyelashes, and we'll be back. I forgot to mention, while I was waiting on my lash glue to dry, I did go ahead and add an eye highlight to my inner corner and a little under my brow bone. And I actually just took the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Highlight Glow Kit, whatever you want to call it, and I took the shade Luna and just popped it in my inner corner and under my brow bone, just a little bit on my brow bone. The eyes are done. This is a super simple eye look, and I have not used this yet. But for our lips, I'm going to take Wet n Wild. This is their Liquid Catsuit High Shine lipstick, and this is in the shade Devil's Advocate. So this is a really pretty dark, plummy, purpley shade. Let's pray that I don't mess up, okay? Okay. Open up. Open up. It literally looks like I have no top lip. Okay, let's do that.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
Okay, so we're back with our lips on, and this is definitely not my... I've never used one of the High Shine lipsticks from Wet n Wild. Let me start by saying that. And I normally struggle using dark lip colors because my lips are uneven. I have to overdraw one side of it to make the other side look normal. And I like the shade a lot. The formula is very sticky, which of course it's a glossy lipstick, so that's expected. But the wand is literally so bendy and flimsy. This is exactly the kind of vibe I want, it like an old Hollywood situation. So now we just have to mess with my hair for 30 minutes to kind of make it look okay. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday. Most of the time, if it's on a Sunday, it's a plan with me video, some kind of plan with me, or it is a clean with me. And by the way, have a beautiful day. I hope you guys are doing excellent. Leave me a comment down below with some future videos you would like to see, because I definitely need some inspiration in the beauty department. I pretty much always wear the same like 2 to 3 different looks, and that's it for me. So let me know what you guys want to see in 2020, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.